Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today again I am going to continue lesson 5, the magic pot. About this lesson I have already given you the word meanings of difficult words, and today I am going to explain you about the lesson. In the lesson it is a story of a woodcutter whose name was Shubhadatta, and how he received means he got a magic pot and how he lose that magic pot. It is a story of all about Shubhadatta. So let's start the lesson. Subhadatta received a very precious gift from the Yakshas, but what will happen to his good fortune when he cannot control his pride? This tale is adapted from the Katha Sarit Sagar, or the Ocean of Streams of Story, a famous 12th century collection of Indian legend, fairy tales and folk tales by Somadeva. This tale means story. So this tale is adapted from the Katha Sarit Sagar. It is a famous 12th century collection of Indian legend. It is a fairy tales and folk tales written by the Somadeva. In Patliputra, there lived a poor woodcutter called Shubhadatta. One day, when Shubhadatta was cutting wood in the forest, he saw four yakshas dressed in beautiful silk clothes and shining jewelry. There was a place known as Patliputra where a poor woodcutter lived known as Shubhadatta. When one day the Shubhadatta was cutting his wood from the forest, he saw four yakshas. Yakshas were the guard, the riches of the goddess. So they were the riches of goddess, and they were dressed in a beautiful silk clothes and shiny jewelries. As you know that the gods wear such types of clothes. They were dressed in a very good silken clothes and shining jewelries. Next paragraph is, if they get angry with me, they will curse me. Shubhadatta thought, his legs trembling with fear. It means that when Shubhadatta saw that Yakshas, he thought that if that Yakshas will get angry with me, they will curse me. Curse me means they will give punishment to me. So with the fear, his legs were trembling with means trembling means shaking. So with fear, their legs began to shake. However, these yakshas were kind people. How are you? They asked Shubhadatta gently. I am Shubhadatta, a woodcutter, my masters, he replied. It means that Shubhadatta was fearing with that yakshas, but that yakshas were very kind people. Said they asked Shubhadatta very gently, means very softly, that how are you? He said, I am Shubhadatta, my name is Shubhadatta, I am a woodcutter. The Yakshas looked at his torn clothes and thin body and decided to help him. They said to him, work for us for 1 month, we will reward you well and you will never be hungry again. It means that when Yakshas saw the Shubhadatta, he found that he was wearing very torn clothes and he had a very thin body. So they decided that they will help him. So he said to Shubhadatta that you work for us for 1 month, and in regard they will give the reward to him, so that he will be never hungry again. But what about my family? Shubhadatta asked. Tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream, said the Yakshas. It means that Shubhadatta was in very doubtful that if I will stay with the Yakshas, then what will happen to my family. So Yakshas said that tonight we will send you in his wife dream, and he can explain everything. You will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. In the morning, when she wakes up, she will find money and clothes by her side. And Yakshas explained that he will go in his wife dream and explain that he was safe and he will return after a month. And when he will get up in the morning, he will get the money and clothes, so that for the month she can survive. Then I will gladly work for you, my master, said Shubhadatta happily. Shubhadatta went with the Yakshas. They bathed in the river. He helped them dress in silk which they produced out of nowhere. Then he laid out the gold plates which too they produced magically. But there was no food. Means after listening the words of Yakshas, Shubhadatta became very happy and he accepted the offer of working with the Yakshas, and he said that okay, I will work with you. And then Yakshas take them to the river, and he had the bath, and he also gave them the silk dress and a gold plate which they produced magically, but in that gold plate there was no food. There is no food, my master, he said to the Yakshas. One of them smiled and said, we know that. Take this pot. And he gave Shubhadatta a beautiful pot. Put your hand inside and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it. It means that when Shubhadatta got the gold plate from Yakshas, he was very doubtful because there was no food. So he asked the question with the Yakshas that there is no food, my master. Then one of the Yakshas smiled and said, and he gave a pot to the Shubhadatta and said that take this beautiful pot, Shubhadatta, and put a hand inside it, and whatever you wish, that thing will come out from this pot. Shubhadatta thought of a delicious plow and put his hand in the pot. Lo, and behold, he had rice in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. The dishes appeared before him. He put the food on the gold plates and set them before the Yakshas. What a wonderful pot, he said after the meal. Means that when Shubhadatta got that pot, and Yakshas told him about the pot, that if you will put hand inside it, whatever you will wish, you will get it. So Shubhadatta put his hand and thought about the plow, and he put the hand in the pot, and after that he when he raised his hand, he had the rice in his hand, and after that he again put his hand in the pot and he thought of the meat and other tasty foods, and he got all the tasty foods, and he put all the dishes in the front of Yakshas in the gold plates, and he said that what a wonderful pot it was, and after that they all had the meal. Shubhadatta worked with the Yakshas for a month. Then one day they said to him, you have served us well. We will give you anything you ask for. I will take the magic pot, my master, said Shubhadatta. Means that after working for a month with the Yakshas, one day Yakshas told to Shubhadatta that you have served very well. It means that you have performed all your duties very well. Now you can ask anything you wish. Means you can ask anything regarding your duties. So Shubhadatta said that I want the magic pot, said Shubhadatta. If you break the pot, it will return to us. Ask for something else, said the Yakshas. But I want the pot and nothing else, said Shubhadatta. It means that when Shubhadatta said that I want the magic pot, the Yakshas told them that if that pot will break with your hand, then that pot will come back to us. So you can ask something else. But Shubhadatta said that no, I don't want anything else. I want only that pot. Then take it, said the Yakshas, and gave him the pot. Shubhadatta took the pot and went home. His wife and children were very happy to see him back. He showed him the magic pot. He drew out beautiful clothes and shining jewelries from it. They were wonderstruck. Means that at last the Yakshas gave him the pot, and Shubhadatta took that pot and went to his home, where his wife and children were very happy to see him back because he was coming after a long time. And the Shubhadatta showed the magic pot to his family, and he showed that how he took out the jewelry and the beautiful clothes from the pot. As you can see in the picture also, Shubhadatta is taking out the jewelries from the pot. So they were very wonderstruck. That means they are very surprised to see all these things because they have never seen such a type of magic. Let us have a feast for all the neighbors, but do not tell them where the food comes from, said Shubhadatta to his wife. It means that now the Shubhadatta was thinking to have a feast. Feast means having the party or celebration with their neighbors. So he tell that we will organize a party, but we will not tell to our neighbors that how we have arranged that food. So they invited 100 guests and served them the most delicious food they had ever eaten. You are just a poor woodcutter. Where did you get the money to buy such good food? One of the guests asked. It means that Shubhadatta arranged a party for his neighbors and he invited almost hundreds of people in that party, and he arranged delicious food in that party which the neighbors have never eaten before. And so the one of the guests asked to Subhadatta that you are a poor woodcutter, and how can you arrange such a good food, means how much money you have spent on this food. So from where you get that money, or from where you have arranged that food? So one of the guests asked to Shubhadatta. Shubhadatta grinned to himself but kept quiet. He was afraid that someone would steal his pot. But the neighbors were curious. They kept asking him. At last, Shubhadatta could not stop himself from boasting. He brought the pot out and said, "See, the Yakshas gave me this magic pot because I worked so hard. It gives me anything I want." It means that when the neighbor asked the Shubhadatta from where he got the money to have such parties, so Shubhadatta started smiling, but he was silent because he was afraid that if I will tell about the pot, then any neighbor can steal his pot. But neighbor were very curious, means very eager to know about that pot. So Shubhadatta cannot himself about telling about the pot. So he's not able to stop himself from showing off. So he take out the pot and he said to all that Yakshas has given this magic pot, and because I have worked very hard I means I have served very hard to them, and if this pot can give me anything whatever I want. Shubhadatta started dancing with the pot in his hand, and then, horror of horrors, the pot slipped from his hand and broke. He quickly started picking up the pieces to put them together again. For a moment, everyone saw the whole pot and then it vanished. It means that when the Shubhadatta showed the pot to the neighbors and told him about the magic of the pot, he cannot control himself and he started dancing with the pot with his happiness. But one of the unexpected thing happened. The pot slipped from his hand and it broke down. The Shubhadatta quickly started to pick the pieces of that pot, but he to join them together. But at a moment that pot vanished away from his hand because Yakshas told the Shubhadatta that if the pot broke down, it will be vanished, it will come back to us. Shubhadatta cried, "If only I had not been foolish enough to boast about the pot, it would still be there. What a fool I am!" But nothing could bring the pot back now. Shubhadatta went looking for the Yakshas many times, but he never saw them again. It means that when the pot broke down and vanished away from the Shubhadatta hand, he started crying because due to his fullness, he lost the pot. Because if he have not showed down the pot to the neighbors, then he had that magic pot, but now he has lose that pot, and he tried to look after the Yakshas many times so that he can get again the pot, but he never get that Yaksha. Okay students, thank you for today's class.